Today we're making Keto Easter Egg Truffles. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com and I've teamed up with ChocZero. I'm going to show you how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookie dough Keto Easter Egg Truffles. Let's get started. This is an easy truffle recipe to make. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of nut milk of choice. I'm using macadamia nut milk, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of golden sweetener. You could use monk fruit sweetener or erythritol-based sweetener, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then you're gonna mix this together. Now to get it more melted consistency, I'm gonna pop mine in the microwave for 20-30 seconds. You could have started with melted coconut oil and that would have helped all the ingredients mix together a little bit better, but it doesn't matter. If you just wanna pop in the microwave to mix it together a little bit better, that'll work too. Now for our dry ingredients, we're gonna add 1 cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and then we're gonna add some ChocZero chocolate chips. I'm gonna be using their milk chocolate baking chips. You could use dark chocolate or white chocolate if you want to. You'll need a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Mix it together until it's combined, and now our chocolate chip cookie dough truffle base is ready. Then to make our Easter egg shape, I'm gonna mold these in my hands to make a small egg shape. You could use a mold too if you wanted. There's silicone molds out there that are egg shaped, so that's an option for you. I'm just gonna use my hands. We're putting these on a parchment lined tray and we're gonna freeze them for 10 minutes just to help them set and harden. Meanwhile, I'm gonna melt some chocolate. I'm using ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. You could use dark chocolate if you wanted, decorating some chocolate eggs, but I'm gonna use white chocolate because I want to color them. So I'm melting down some white chocolate, and then you can add different colors in there. I'm gonna use some purple, there's pink, blue, green, whatever colors that you want to decorate your Easter eggs. Dip each of your cookie dough eggs into the melted chocolate and place it back on the baking tray. You can put different designs on here like stripes or polka dots. Once you're all finished, put them back in the freezer just to allow that outer shell to harden. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your Keto Easter Egg Truffles.